Race number 6, Santa Ana Park. And the race on, One Bahamas fast to begin, moving up by the rally Ski Boy. Alongside is entry number 8, Headline Chaser, Major, Dragon May. It's now Major by Hapaland, One Bahamas, Dragon May, and Rosemary Blues on the further outside, Headline Chaser. Speedy Mackie is running in 6 by the rally, taking the 5th spot. Keyboy and Promise is running at the tail of the field. Passing the half-mile post, 2 runners fighting it out for the lead. One Bahamas, Major alongside his Headline Chaser in 3rd. Dragon May moving up by the rally. Speedy Mackie taking the 4th spot. And as they race the last 550, Major, One Bahamas, Headline Chaser is Speedy Mackie running in 4th, Dragon May running in 5th, and Rosemary Blues as they race the final corner. Major on the outside, Headline Chaser, One Bahamas, is Speedy Mackie making ground on the inside, but Headline Chasers now the leader by about 2 lengths. Major alongside. It's still Headline Chaser, this time by about 2 lengths, and finally Headline Chaser, Major, Dragon May, Speedy Mackie, Promise, One Bahamas, Rosemary Blues, and Keyboy comes last.